This is the dashboard of the Galla app, and today we learn about B2B invoice. To create B2B invoice, click on New Invoice. Fill in all these details. The details that are marked in red are the mandatory ones, so make sure you do not miss filling on these details. So it will ask details like location name, very important point, address, city, state. Just fill all the details. Postcode, country GST code, state GST code, GST number. All right. So just check if you have filled all the mandatory details or not before proceeding ahead. Alright, so we have filled all the mandatory details here. Now we'll scroll down and now we'll be adding the items information. Here you can add as many as items you want. Right now let's just add some random items here. Okay, because this item is not available, we'll pick some another item. You can change the store location in case you feel like, the item is missing. Maybe just go and check for the store if you have added the right store or not. Alright, we have added the item here, and now you'll find all the details of the item like the item number, HSN code, its MRP, discount, checks, everything. So now if you want to make some changes in these details, let's say we want to make changes in the discount, just added it. Scroll down, enter the terms and conditions based on your business module and click on save. You have successfully added the details. Alright, so this is the one that we just created. Now let's say if you want to edit something in the information that you have just added, you'll simply go to this icon, which is a pan icon, and let's say you want to change the GST number. Okay, you want to make some changes in it. You'll come back to this page, make the changes and click on save. Okay, now we have these three dots. So you will click on this. You want to download this invoice, click on this and this will be automatically downloaded. See, it's automatically downloaded to your desktop. Another option is you want to delete it. Let's delete this. That's how you will delete it. Now, another thing is view details. Click on view details. Alright, so now here if you want to print the invoice, click on this first icon. You want to email, click on this. Now if you want to duplicate the invoice, you can click on this third icon, and this is the edit option. This will take you to the page that we just discussed. This is the option to download the invoice. Now actions, what all actions? You can create a DC or you can create a credit note. So you can avail any of these options in case your business module requires. Alright, so once these we have learned, now we have this option to export. Okay, you can export the data in the Excel or CSV file based on your requirement. Another thing we have here on this page is filters. So you can click on the filter to get the best view of your data. So you can select the date range, like let's say I want to view the data from 7th to 6th of July. I'll click on apply and the data will appear here. Alright, so that's how you can create new invoices and you can manage the things related to invoice. We hope this helps you. Thank you.